Hi writers, welcome back to Writers Workshop. Today we are going to learn that partners help us to add more to our writing. So we're going to be working with partners today in Writers Workshop. So you have a couple options for who your partner could be. Your partner could be a person. It could be mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, cousins, or maybe a sibling like a brother or sister. But if you use a person, make sure you ask them if it's okay that you're their partner. I know sometimes we have adults by us that might be busy, so double check with them first to make sure they are okay to be your partner. If you don't have a person that can be your partner, you can also use your stuffy that you use in Reader's Workshop. So my partner today in Writer's Workshop is going to be my partner, Echo, because Echo works with me in word work, so I know he wants to work with me in Writer's Workshop. Right, Echo? Right. Echo's going to be my partner. So we are going to do partner writing together. So hopefully you can find your partner, and then our friend Christine's going to show us what else we can do with them once we find our partner. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to place your teaching book in between you and your partner. So in my class, I wrote about apples for my teaching book. So I'm going to put my paper right in between me and Echo so that we both can look at my paper. Echo can see my paper, and so can I. So make sure your paper is right in between you and your partner. Then, once it's in the middle and you both can see it, you're going to read your story aloud to your partner. So I would read my teaching book about apples to Echo. And then once I'm done and I read all my pages in my teaching book, Echo is going to ask me some questions. He could ask me something I didn't put in my story. He could ask me to double check something and make sure I make sense. And also from this page, see how there's no words? Echo just told me that I should add some words on that page. So that's what you're going to get to do in Writer's Workshop today. Once you have your partner and you read them your story and they ask you questions and tell you what to add, you're going to add to your story. And our friend Christine is going to come on and she's going to tell us a little bit more about partner writing and what it could look like. So let's see what she has to say.
Hi writers, welcome back. Have you been busy writing books? I have. Remember I told you I was going to write a book about plants because I love plants so much? Well, I did. So here it is. Here's my first page. It has the sun, because I told you plants need sun, and plant, and the leaves, and the dirt, and the pot is on the windowsill. Yeah. And my second page is still teaching about plants, how some plants have really long leaves, and some are small and have little round leaves. There are different kinds of plants. And so I got to thinking, when writers get to the end of writing a book, they often check in with a partner and see if the partner has any questions. Or they reread it themselves and see, do I have any questions that aren't answered in this book? Or you can have your little partner from home, your little stuffed toy, like I have Teddy here, who's going to be my partner. Teddy, are there any questions about my plant book? Oh, he wants to know, why did I write about this? Well, that's a good question. I wrote about plants because I love plants. I find them so beautiful and I like to have them around. Any other questions? Oh, he wants to know, is there anything more that I could add to teach about plants that I didn't put in my book already? Well, while I was rereading it to you, I noticed that I totally forgot to put in that it's important for plants to have water and sun. Now I know some work I have to do today. I'll have to add in the water. Do you see how that helped me add more to my writing? Thinking about questions a reader might have? In fact, the more I think about it, the more I'm thinking how these plants that I wrote about are in my house. But plants are also outside too, in parks and gardens. I could add a whole nother page to my book about outdoor plants. Wow, that was so helpful. So are you thinking about questions for your book? I'll be your partner right now and get you started. Ready? I'm going to ask some questions. But of course, I want you to reread your writing and see if there are more questions. But for now, think a little bit about why did you write about this? Is there more that you could add in a part of your book? Is there more that you can teach us? And then you can add a whole nother page? So, if those questions got you thinking about more you can add, you have a lot of work to do. Or if someone's near you in your family and you've been having your own little writing club, ask someone in your family to ask you some questions. And then go ahead and add that in your book. Well done, everybody. I can't wait to see and hear all about your great writing. Happy writing.